Hello students, welcome back to computer class for standard 2. This is your computer book of standard 2. So open your book children. Today we will start our lesson 2. It's about parts of a computer. Children, we all know that our body have different parts like eyes, ear, nose, mouth and legs. All those are different parts of our body. Similarly, a computer have also different parts. So in this chapter we will learn about the different parts of a computer and also some other parts of a computer. So let's start our lesson. A computer performs the task given to it using its various parts. A computer consists of four main parts. These parts are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Children, as we know, only a monitor or only a CPU or only a keyboard or only a mouse cannot work. We need all these things together to work with a computer. So these are the different parts of computer. So there are four main parts of a computer. They are, without this we cannot run a computer. They are monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. These are the four main parts of a computer. All its parts remain connected by means of cable and make a complete computer system. Children, you can see here, these are the all four main parts. Then they are connected with the cable. This is the cable. You can see here this black line. This is a cable or wire. They are connected with cables and make a computer system to work. Let us learn more about these parts. So children, let us learn separately about these main four parts. The first part is our monitor. Monitor. This is your monitor you must have seen in your computer lab or in your house or in some other places. So how does it look like, children? Have you all have TV in your television in your house? The monitor looks exactly like your television screen. It displays what we do on the computer. Children, its work is that it shows us the result that we do on the computer. There are different types of monitor. Children, you can see there are different types of monitor. Some are flat, some are little bulge. So there are different kinds of monitor that you can see. Then turn next page. A monitor is also known as visual display unit, in short called the VDU. Children, why it is called visual display unit? Here you see underline this one, visual display unit. Why we call it a visual display unit? Visual means here we can see the things that are displayed over here. Here we can see the things clearly. So it is also short form, in short is called VDU. We can watch movies on the monitor, children, by inserting the CD. You can watch a movie, or by internet connection. If you have internet connection, you can watch movies, songs, cartoons, so many things on the monitor. Then next parts come your CPU. This is your CPU box. In the first page also you can see here, this is your CPU box. It is connected to the keyboard. So CPU, the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. Children, underline this one, Central Processing Unit. CPU, in short we called it CPU, but its full form is Central Processing Unit. This is your CPU. It is called the brain of the computer. Children, you always remember that as we are having brain in our head, computer is also having brain, and it is in the CPU, the brain of the computer. it remains fixed inside the CPU box. This is your CPU and inside it remains this inside the CPU box. This is your CPU box, this is CPU. It is fixed inside the CPU box. It performs calculations and controls all other parts and function of a computer. So what does it works? What its work is, it perform calculation and controls all other parts also it control other parts. Then comes your keyboard. Children, this one is your keyboard. You can see here the picture of keyboard, and there are different kinds of keys are there. Number keys, alphabet keys, space bar. So many keys are there. That one I will tell you later. So let's see what is keyboard. The keyboard contains many keys and look like buttons. Children, you can see here there are so many keys are there and it looks like button. These keys are pressed to give input to the computer. What is the use of keyboard, children? It gives input to the computer. If you will type here, then it will be displayed on the monitor. The input given in this is then processed by CPU and the output is displayed by the monitor. So children, whatever we will type here, whatever work we will do with the help of our keyboard, it will be processed in the CPU and it will be giving result or displayed by the monitor. The keyboard is also called standard input device. Underline, children. This one you have to underline. This keyboard is also called standard input devices. Then come your mouse. See, this is your mouse. Mouse. The mouse is a pointing device. Children, mouse is also called as pointing device. It consists of two buttons and a scroll wheel. See children, this one button, this one next button, and this is your scroll wheel. Okay. It is used for pointing and selecting objects and icons on the monitor. So what is the use of mouse? It is used for pointing and selecting object icons on the monitor. So children, I am stopping here. Today I am stopping here. Your work is to read page number 13 and 14 at your home 5 times. Thank you children. Have a nice day.